Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother of all the television stations when they inside the world, Wazobia TV for Channel 98 for GoTV. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and the PPRO of the Lagos State Police Command, DSP Joe for the inside studio. And we discuss one very important topic when we say every time when the thing come up for discussion, plenty Nigerians they chook mouth inside. Police now your friend, true or false. We don't discuss several issues to show say police self they be human being. Even though some kind bad people they inside police they try their best to see say they make them they very very good. We go live now with one word before we go back to Ogajo for police not just be your friend. Police now your friend and your helper.
So yes, Ogajo, and back to that question we will ask before we get that before that call enter. Say okay, she was supposed to get restriction. Okay, say try make you say okay, see what you fit do. Your job make you no pass this level. Like when it comes to checking people and all that, especially for public.
Yes, for every time we get people for road, we say go do road work. That particular duty get its own what we call standard operation procedure, okay. SOP. And when the person they work, he is there for a particular thing. And say some of these things where they say make the police go for road. Say the IG, the present IG say no more roadblock. So, but anytime now there is anything that won't happen, and if we send our policemen for road to make sure that that thing not happen, we call it tactical operation points.
Tactical operation point.
That tactical operation point is it has a particular motive. Okay. You get a particular motive where that tactical operation point will solve at that particular time.
Okay.
And the person where they ask to go and do that thing, where they say make you go do that thing, must to do that particular thing. It must not to go beyond that particular operation or that particular guideline given to him.
I beg, may I quickly trip in this one? Checking of phone, people's personal phone. She's not part of the tactical operation.
No, that one is an illegal duty.
Illegal. But this time they happen in some cases.
Any policeman you see that say make you bring your phone for road, that policeman is on his own.
Okay, we'll get Igwe. Make Igwe talk to us all the way from Abuja. Good morning, Igwe. Igwe, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Yes, Igwe, I beg, fire, would they hear you talk?
Okay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
They hear you.
Yeah, Nkubi and the Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igwe.
Good morning.
Good morning, our DSP. You're welcome.
Good morning, sir.
Please, I've listened to you very well all this while. I've been following. In fact, it's unfortunate that Wazobia has to leave the Star Times and the Star Times. It's really, really unfortunate. I had to leave my leave Star Times to go and purchase GoTV.
Nice one, nice one.
Because of this program. I don't know why you people have to do that kind of thing. But even at that, thank God that we are still together. We are back to wherever we left each other.
Yes.
I have a contribution to make. I've listened to the DSP all this while following the program. There is one striking statement that he made concerning the CP going to... Actually, I'm a lawyer based here in Abuja.
Okay.
So there's actually one statement he made concerning the CP going to SAS police to go and interview people and tell them that they have to be released, or tell the officer they have to be released if they bring people there to stand as shorty. What he was actually saying is that those people, they cannot find anything incriminating against them. That is just what it is. Now, my question is, when you have, as a police officer, when you have made investigation and found out that somebody does not have any incriminating issue against him, do you need anybody to come and stand for shorty, for him for bail? The only honorable thing for you to do is to leave the person to go, to give him an unconditional release. He doesn't, because there's nothing holding him. So why are you still requiring somebody to come and stand shorty for him? These are constitutional issues. They are constitutional rights. Freedom of liberty does not need, it doesn't need any qualification. Now, in a situation where you have made this investigation, you find out that See, from all indications, from all facts, there is nothing incriminating against this person. You don't need anybody to go and say, bring Shorty for him to stand on bed. It is when you create that kind of avenue, that is when some unholy police officers will now be taking their advantage. When you find out that somebody does not have anything incriminating against the person, the only solution, the only option left for you is to allow the person to go. You don't have to come and say Constitution provides for unconditional release. That is the constitutional provision. When you have found that nothing is incriminating against the person, why don't you just allow the person to go? Now, that is one part of it. That's one part of it. I must also commend the IGA. Believe me, I was so much impressed when I read on the paper recently that the IG has asked police officers to stop investigation and the monitoring people's or interrogating people's phone. You understand? It is their private life. This is a constitutional right. Honestly, I was so much impressed when I read it on the papers. And I believe and I think that the IG, if his people are listening to the reaction of Nigerians, that we just take more greed to his elbow, and we think and we believe that his lieutenants, those who are following behind him, should improve on this. It is very, very important. A situation where people come to forsake, the moment the first thing they do, they bump into your
Oga Igwe, thank you very much for this important contribution. We appreciate them. Oga Igwe don't talk, say, as a lawyer, say the instance where you cite of the CP going to SARS, can't talk, say, after like 3 hours as you take talk, say, many these people go, say, in fact, once you don't see, say, the person don't get anything, that just allow the person, they go like that. We go like, may you respond to that particular one.
This is where you talk now. It's a very good question he asked. Say, when you say make somebody go on bail, that does not mean, say, the investigation on the case don't finish. So make the person go. Because it may be, as you want, you never finish investigation, and you don't say...
No one restricts the person.
You want to say, okay, make the person go. Now, he's saying that unconditional release. When you carry somebody from his house or from his office or from his workshop or from a hideout where you raided him and put him inside the police cell for some days or for some hours, if you release that person unconditionally without any person standing shorty,
exactly.
If the person on his way, if he's knocked down on the way and he dies, the people will think that the person is still with the police.
Exactly. So making family know, say,
making family
wise one.
Releasing him to somebody is let the person take this person to his house, so that tomorrow when they say the person no reach home,
somebody who witnessed
the release will say yes. Look at the police released this person to me. We have so many cases like that now where somebody was released and we cannot find the person that was released and the person to whom it was released. It has become a problem for us now.
Okay, Joe, you don't make them very, very clear. Say, when we even talk about unconditional release, no be just say, just they go. The reason why we do them now so that we're going to say, okay, we put them for safe hands so that at the end of the day, no content Spain for the police officers. You don't make them very, very clear. Make they move on. They discuss this particular issue, they go.
You are talking of issue of
he also raised that matter.
Restrictions. Now, if they investigate a case of murder,
okay,
and if the person now use gun to kill somebody, and you are investigating, say the person used gun, and you go to the person's house to go and search, say make you recover that gun, and when you get to the person's house, you can't see other things where maybe things where the person don't steal from another person, or some things where no supposed to be in your house.
Okay.
You cannot say because you investigate case of murder, you close your eyes to those
other things where they...
So when you are investigating, investigation is like this phone where small children, they see person for road, they carry people phone. I don't know what they are doing inside the phone.
Oga Joe, I beg, make we collect this call from Ernest. Ernest, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Ernest.
Good morning.
I beg, Ernest, where for Lagos they call us from?
Now from Ojo local government.
Okay, Ojo, I beg, would they hear you right on?
Okay. The matter where we they talk this morning, police now your friends depend on the policeman where you meet and the circumstances where you meet them. You get some police where you go meet, you go rejoice, say you meet policeman. Because the way they go attend to you, you go surprised. Say this one a police officer really for Nigeria.
Okay.
I don't meet policemen where they say, the moment I finish with them, they say, oh yeah, Oga, make it a go. I don't meet the ones where I meet. Even though everything they clear, then she say, Oga, you must find out something before you come out. Policeman don't see receipt of land where I go pay for my pocket. Still hold me, say, where I get money buy land. So it depends on the police officer where you meet. Some good officers there, some very bad officers still there. Now, product of the society, now they manifest for the police where we get today. So whether police now your friend or not be your friend, now it depends on who you meet. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Ernest, for that contribution. Oga Joe, you don't hear wetin Ernest talk, but you get wetin Ernest talk when we say, we go make me bring in this question. It's seen as product of the society. Now they do it, now they cause some of these police, they do it, they put hand inside them, they do pass themselves. We could now bring the issue.
Could be what we go to be say before we come bring that issue. Make we enter inside Ogun, collect this call from Oga Emmanuel. Oga Emmanuel, welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Chukwudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Emmanuel.
Mr. Uncle, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, I want to talk for this issue. When I talk, say police is our friend.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, for me, like the one when our PRO for there they talk, that those things always happen for those kind of Nigerian law. They always exist for Nigerian police station where near where CPD. Also, when it comes to our rural areas, our village there. All those kinds of things not they exist.
Okay.
Yeah, because I go be myself, I go give an instance. Even it don't happen severally for me for being there. At times they just catch you on the way, see they don't patrol. If they carry you station, now that matter, you can't build yourself, you like it or not, unless you want from there spend the rest of your life. Even for Oguti recently here, I go make complaint. From there, complaint I go make me say somebody threatening me. For there, they between my wife and the person, we have to beat them. Both the one way I go report and my wife also, me can't report. I have to beat them because they won't even treat me. The things that I can't be hell with them. Then it was around that kind after 9 or to 10. So when they talk, we say, as they talk all these things, maybe they try make it reach other places then. Not believe for Lagos, definitely Lagos and Abuja and center of attraction now. If there's anything they talk, will always happen for them. But what of other places, local government then. So
Okay, Emmanuel, this one where you don't talk now, very important thing. Say, make it not just be Lagos and Abuja. Make it they reach everywhere so that we go really feel the presence of police officers. Oga Lekon, they call us from Victoria Island. Oga Lekon, welcome to Aside Hot.
Thank you, Oga Chukwudi and Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Lekon.
Yeah, good morning. Oga DSP Joe Ofo, morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
I throw a salute. I beg, waiting I want talk. We get good police and we get bad police. The good ones, I throw a salute for una. But the bad ones, Oga, they need to flush them out. It is high time we flush them out. I had 2 major experiences with police November, December last year. And a terrible one for that matter. And it was the grace of God and good police, good officers God sent to me. And fortunately for me, I was able to talk to Oga Kenneth Nwosu. I'm sure Oga DSP know Kenneth Nwosu. He gave me your number. But I didn't call you because God intervened and the DPO of the station too intervened. I enter Keke Marwa, I park my motor, mechanic they help me service am. I enter Keke Marwa, police stop the Keke Marwa for road. Me, I dey inside the Keke Marwa. As I come down, they struggle with the Keke. As I come down, I want to, Oga police, I beg, take am easy. As I want follow Keke Marwa talk, say make he give me my change. I receive 2 hot slap. Before I know what happen, I don't land for police station. If you see as they rough handle me inside their motor, I don't land for police station. As I land for police station, they change the case for my head. I tried to beg, I dey apologize. I was forced to write apology letter, and I was forced. I don't want to mention the name of the sergeant who slapped me
6 times that day, because we don't talk the matter. Oga Kenneth Nwosu don't help me settle the matter with the DPO. So I no want to mention the guy.
Oga Lekon, thank you very much for this your important contribution. From all the things where you don't talk about good police and people when we say somehow they're no good. And you don't make it very, very clear. Say police officer for this country, so when the Nigerian step into the matter and intervene. When we go this break, come back, we go allow Oga Joe Ofor to analyze this particular issue. Come give us the way forward as it take concern. How we go fit do if such incidents happen when we go fit report to police authority. No go anywhere now. Still as e dey hot. Welcome back to Aside Hot on top Wazobia TV for Go TV channel 98. Ezugu Chukwudi Nkubi and DSP Joe Ofor, PPRO of Lagos State Police Command inside studio, and we dey discuss police na your friend true or false. Oga DSP, before we go that break, you hear waiting our last caller talk, Mr. Lekon. He talk am clearly say the experience when he get with police for this December, he even they call God or say if no be say God intervene, the thing for don't pass the level when he pass. I go like make you hear the thing, make you just assess this particular discussion.
No, I really understand what he's trying to say. You know, say as in the talk, he was not saying that. He was able to say some policemen, you know, rough-handled him, and another police officer intervened, and he was rescued and things like that. So in every 12, there must be a Judas.
Exactly.
And the kind of the environment where we are, if you see the mindset, people with the join police, as at the time they are coming, if you don't take time, most of the people where they come, if not this training where they give us, before you become they do the work, you see, say many of them have very many bad things in mind before coming to join police, and it is not most of the things they do, you know. In police, you know, teach them. Like in most of us now, where they see people where carry phone, they search people's phone for road. At the time where they train us, there was no phone now. So nobody thought you say, make you see person where get phone, make you carry do this. But the phone, computer, you get cases where you go to investigate now. You must investigate reach phone. You must investigate reach desktop, laptop, iPad, all this and that. But not the person where they drive, they walk out for road. You see, I say,
bring a phone.
Bring phone. I don't know the kind of investigation where you
want to see inside the phone.
For road, there, that time. Do you understand? So that is number one. Number two, you know, say when you get one good policeman, I don't know, there's no difference between a good policeman and the angel of God. I don't think there is any difference. Because if you see some of the things where we do and some of the things where we see as police officers, it is some of the work where you could do as a good policeman is equal to the work of an angel of God. Because when you look left, look right, you don't get anybody. The only person that
will fit hope on,
will come rescue you or save you at that moment in a police.
Yes.
And when you can't get one bad policeman, one bad policeman is as bad as devil. Do you understand? So it is this thing that is why when IG come, anything will be policy, at that strategic level, when they make that bunker policy, they go make them public, talk them for radio, talk
so that everybody
will
know.
Make everybody know.
Exactly.
One day I was on TV like this. Somebody say with the parade, people where we arrest. Why with the parade?
Even though they still be suspect.
If they say they be suspect. You know, say, if you, as you parade somebody, say he be criminal. Are you getting it? At times, they go say, some people, police arrest and they kill. You know? You know, say, if you parade, that person no go die again. People go no say he did with us. And if for Nigeria here, we no get every trial. If you the man was citing Section 36 of the Constitution, and he did not continue where Section 36 of the same Constitution say every trial in Nigeria when you want to try somebody for court, it must be in the open. There's nothing like a trial in a camera.
Separately behind camera.
So something that we don't do something like that.
Okay, Ogajo, one of our caller, Ernest, we call, talk something. I mean, okay, Emmanuel rather, he says, okay, this policy when I don't they put in place now to ensure so at least all these good things when I don't they try to about police. How far now they take and go? Should not just is they restricted to some certain places that be na nationwide now they do this thing? Because he may also suggest, say, okay, me now at least this good thing when I don't they do, make it even reach other places for Nigeria. So at least that same spirit say Nigeria police don't they do this thing, you go feel reach everywhere. So how far now don't they go with this thing? Say it they at the moment now don't start off from somewhere be simultaneous now they carry out this work everywhere.
Nigeria police. Now one man, the Inspector General of Police, anything we in talk.
Oh, you go around.
Every commissioner of police. And when the commissioner of police reach in own state, all the area commanders, DPOs, just like that. You know, say, the difference now is...
Ogajo, I beg, just you go continue. But we need to collect this call from one of our callers. And Victor, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Victor.
Yeah, good morning.
I beg, Victor, raise your voice up. Make we hear you.
Hello?
Yes, okay, we hear you. Fire on.
So, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, please, I want to thank you for my well done work.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Let God bless you. I want to contribute to
Okay.
and the police is right one. So I want to contribute to in the aspect of where police do good. Police they help us where in many ways. Let me see when you know get hope in the police you go see.
True.
There's a matter I experienced where a woman was chased and almost killed. Go police station, you know, get nothing. So they assisted her. But in the aspect of whaling, this is completely everybody I did for police. Once they do police, they do. But look, we see the concept, they try maybe the bad ones they talk.
Oga Victor from Abia, we don't get your point exactly. Yeah. You don't talk and say, if police do well, make we talk and make everybody know. Make it not be like say, now only the bad things where police they do, everybody they hear. DSP, if we continue this talk, it go on because police are our friend and our helper. But we go like, make you just give us last word. Encourage Nigerians to really believe, say, police are our friend and our helper.
I want the Nigerians when they watch this program, see, we they try our best. The people where they do this police work, they know import them from another country.
True.
Na Nigerians.
Them be.
Their mama na Nigerian, their papa here. And some of us, we get children. Some of them, their grandchildren are here. So we they beg, make everybody know the vex, say, police they be our problem. Police be our problem. Police no be our problem.
Exactly.
And make we they be our brother's keeper. Before you go give police information, no be when it affects you. If you the thing they affect your brother, your neighbor, also, make you give us information so that we go come in time and serve that person. And
very true.
Person, yeah.
DSP Joe, you don't finish talk for on top of this matter. We go shake your hand because of say you spend quality time with us and you don't reach out to Nigerians to tell them the truth.
You don't also enlighten and then give this young man with they here some security.
Our people when they for house, we always talk and say Nigeria and our country, it no go spoil. We don't hear all the thing when Oga DSP Joe forget to talk as it get to do with police. Now your friend, true or false. Now our hand the day to make the team better, and we must join our hand together to make police people also feel say yes, these people when they provide security for, they appreciate their work, and all the police officers when they outside there when they do better work, we cut cap give una. Those when we say somehow I be like say that they spot in the name of police. Make God touch una heart and make una think am well. If this country good, it don't better for all of us. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. Una bye bye.
Anytime while they talk, no they break into my talk again. I don't tell you.
We need to parade. We need to parade.
They will play.
We need to parade.
Don't you ever.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.